After watching today's recipe to the end, I'm sure you will never look at Bulgar the same way again. You see, this is your Jamaican girl Norlene, and I will be doing an authentic Jamaican recipe for you, Bulgar porridge. In the bowl, I have a cup of Bulgar wheat. I'm going to wash this thoroughly just to remove any particles, and then I'm going to place it in a cup and a half of water, and then I will stir this thoroughly, add a pinch of salt to this, and cook for about 20 minutes. While cooking, you'll notice some froth comes to the top. You can skim this off, and remember, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Please leave your comment in the comment section, turn on your post notification, and share my video with a friend who enjoys new authentic recipe. I allow this to cool off. I'm using it the next day. So in another pot, I've added 2 cups of coconut milk, and then I add to my blender all the wheat, and then I blend it thoroughly. Now, family and friends, I know that you're enjoying this authentic recipe, so please comment in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from and if you've ever tried this recipe before. Now, family and friends, now look at this. If only you could smell all of this coconut goodness going on in the kitchen. Good. Next, family and friends, I will add some cinnamon powder. It's time for the spiritual nugget. Our spiritual nugget encourages us to be forward thinkers. We ought to be dutiful and diligent in order to secure a future. Proverbs 6 verse 8 reminds us that we ought to be like the ant and not the sluggard. Next, I added more spices. I've added some nutmeg, some sweetened condensed milk, some vanilla, stir, sweeten the taste, and then serve. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much, Danielle, for spending the time in the kitchen with me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification. I'll see you next week.